Hello friends, let us find out root 3.5 geometrically. So we are going to find out length of root 3.5 geometrically. Now what would we do here? We are drawing 3.5 centimeter length line segment. 3.5. I call it AB. Then we are drawing 1 centimeter more. We are taking 1 centimeter more here, 1 centimeter, and we are putting C. Now we find out midpoint of AC. Now how to find midpoint of AC? You know that we will draw perpendicular bisector of AC. Here it is AC, we find perpendicular bisector. So we draw one side, one arc there, one below. Then from C we do similarly, one arc there, one arc at the bottom, below the half plane of AC. Now we will not join this particular 2 points with a line. Actually we are drawing perpendicular bisector. It has to be drawn, but we need only the midpoint. So we are not going to draw complete. We will only mark midpoint O. So we mark this midpoint as O. Now we have found O, the midpoint. So we will be able to now draw a semicircle taking O as the center and either OC or OA as the radius. So we are drawing it. So let's draw this particular semicircle. Now at B, at right angle, we are going to draw a line segment. So I need to measure right angle. So I am putting a point of 90 degree. And then with that point and B, I draw a line segment which touches this semicircle. And the point at which this line segment touches the semicircle, I put it as D. So this particular length we get it as root 3.5. Now sometimes it may be said that obtain that root 3.5 on number line. So how to do? Let us do that. What are we doing? We are drawing a number line. We mark 0. Let's mark at 1 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. After all, it is a number line. Now if you want to have length of root 3.5, then root 3.5 we will have it, we will measure BD. So see what I measure. I measure BD. This is BD. and that BD I am taking it from O. So here is a point where this particular point we can call it that it is the length of root 3.5. This is how we represent root 3.5 geometrically. Now we are talking about one exercise sum, and that exercise is exercise 1.5. Question number 4. Represent root 9.3, it is given on the number line. So again we proceed in the same manner. We draw one line segment of 9.3 length, 9.3 from 0 to 9.3. Yes, this is 9.3. I put it as AB. Now from B I am measuring 1 centimeter length and drawing a point C at 1 centimeter. This is C. You can write here this is 9.43 and this is 1. Nothing wrong if you write. Now let's find out midpoint of AB in the similar manner as we found out in the last one. So I take, in this case I will take more than half, one arc on the other side, one below. Then here we draw another. Yes. So we will be able to get the midpoint. Let's mark the midpoint. We mark it as O. Now taking O as the center and OA or OC as the radius, we are drawing a semicircle. Look, we are drawing a semicircle. Semicircle is drawn. Now from B at right angle, we are going to draw a line segment which touches the semicircle. The point at which it touches the semicircle, we will call it as D. So here we have that point. Let us let us draw. This is going to be D. This point is going to be D. Now this BD is root 9.3. Now we have been asked to draw it on number line, represent it on number line. So we need to draw a number line. So let's draw a number line. Arrowheads are must because it is a line. Let's place 0. Now I will at 1 centimeter distance. I am going to mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, both of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I will take length of root 9.3 with the help of a protractor. With the help of a rounder. So I measure this BD. I measure this BD. Look, this is BD. Now that BD I am going to mark it on the number line. So here we have a number line 0, 0, yes, this is a point where we get root 9.3. Now you can think that root 9 is 3 and over it a little 0.3. That's why this 9.3, root 9.3 comes over here. So that is how we represent root 9.3 on number line. So what we did, let us just repeat. We are taking length AB as 9.3. From B to C we take 1 centimeter. Then we find out midpoint of AC, that is O, by constructing perpendicular bisector, of course. Now that construction of perpendicular bisector is of AC. Because of AC we want a midpoint. So midpoint we have brought O. And with O as the center, we are drawing a semicircle. From B at right angle, we are drawing one line segment BD which touches the circle. So this BD is root 9.3. So that is how it is found. Now if it is to be represented on a number line, we are drawing a number line. So we have drawn a number line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we are taking the length BD and we are representing it on the number line. So here we get root 9.3. This is how we represent root 9.3 on number line. This is a textual question. Such decimal can be any number. So do practice once or twice so that you can remember very well. And this construction is very easy. It's not that it is difficult. So that is all for the day. We are going to begin with other topic in our next session. But do watch this video and do draw the diagrams which we have drawn today. That is all. Thank you.